Christian, Elizabeth, Hug, and Quinn Whitaker.
You're in charge of the medical exam and legal inspection. We are talking about immigration and what immigrants felt like going through the exams. The medical exam is 6 seconds. If you pass, you go to the Great Hall to continue. In the medical exam, the doctor would look for illness and any contagious disease. If they had any disease or anything wrong with them, they would get a letter on their back. There's our
You have a heart disease.
No!
Sorry. You have hernia. You have trachoma.
Here are some of the letters. K stands for hernia. H stands for heart. E stands for eyes. FT stands for feet. F stands for face. And ST stands for scalp. And that is just some of the letters, but there is more that we want you to find out. Now we are going to talk about the legal inspection. Legal inspection is where people go one by one, getting called by a uniformed inspector sitting in a tall stool behind a tall desk. If you do not do well, you will be asked more questions. If you don't do well in that, you will be sent back. Here are some of the questions.
How old are you?
I am 35.
What is your name?
Dave.
Have you ever committed a crime?
Yes.
How much money did you bring with you?
$10.
I would like you to spell your name right here, please. Thank you. And your name is Dave what?
Dave.
Okay. This is what he wrote for his name, Dave X. He just wrote random letters. And if he does not have the right name, so we will have to ask him more questions later on. Now, you, sir, what is your name?
Miguel Alexander West,
Okay. How old are you?
35.
Have you ever committed a crime?
No.
How much money did you bring with you?
$30.
Okay. I'd like you to write your name here, please. Thank you. Your name is Miguel Alexander Lutz. All right. Thank you.
Oh no, he needs to go to the hospital.
That was just some of the questions on the screen. Here are some pictures of the immigrants, the inspections, and the medical. So here is the line for the medical exam, and here are some of the letters that we didn't find.
P, pregnancy, P, medical environment.
And for legal inspection.